Hello everyone, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it now and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, we are studying the lesson interchanging of the sentences. In that we have seen part 1, part 2. In this video we are going to see part 3, sentence of the EST. Superlative degree, subject plus verb plus the plus SFA, superlative form of adjective plus object. Comparative degree means, see, in the previous video we have seen if one of the is there in superlative degree, how to make its comparative and positive. In this video we are going to study when the and EST is there in superlative degree, how to change it into comparative and positive degree. So, subject verb the superlative form object. If it is like this, how will be its comparative degree? Subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus than any other plus object. When one of the was there, here we made than many other. But here the EST is there, so we have to make it than any other. Positive degree, there we use very few, here we are using no other. No other plus object plus verb plus as in that positive form of adjective and then subject. So, meaning of the sentence should not change. In the previous video we have seen, means he is one of them, means many are like him, but he is one of them, and here he is the best. He is the in superlative degree. That time, let's go through the example. Ram is the greatest boy in the class. Means he is only the greatest, nobody else. This is the meaning of this sentence. So how to change into comparative degree? Ram is subject, is his verb, the EST in superlative degree, boy object in the class. Comparative degree, subject and verb we have to take as it is. Comparative form of adjective we have to take. Greatest, comparative form is greater. Then after that than any other. Then boy in the class is object, as it is we have to take. So Ram is greater than any other boy in the class. Degree, no other plus object. So no other boy in the class. Then verb is positive form of adjective great before in between as great as Ram. No other boy in the class is as great as Ram. It is the tallest building of the city. It is the tallest building. No other building is taller than this building, means it is the tallest. So, comparative degree it is as it is you have to take comparative form of tallest, taller. After that than any other building of the city object. It is taller than any other building of the city. Positive degree, start the sentence with no other. After that object, verb as, positive form of adjective as and subject. So no other building of the city is as tall as it. Sarah is the cleverest girl. Sarah is the cleverest girl. Sarah is subject. Is verb. The EST superlative form of adjective and girl is object. Comparative degree, Sarah is cleverer than any other girl, and positive degree, no other girl is as clever as Sarah. So in this way, if you learn this structure of the and EST, then let the sentence come in any degree. If it comes in comparative degree, you must understand if any other is there, then in superlative the plus EST should come, and in positive degree no other should come. Other sentence is already given in positive degree, no other is there. Then how to convert it into comparative and superlative degree? Then if no other, use than any other and the EST. So you must understand the difference between when two things are compared, when one of the is used and when the EST is used. So these are the three different ways to change the degrees. Only you have to keep in mind those three methods, and then let any sentence come, you can easily change into any degree. If you like my video, please like, subscribe.